Hi, hello my dear students. Welcome back to chemistry class beta. So in the previous part, we have discussed about in the last video class, we have discussed about the electromagnetic spectrum. So in the electromagnetic spectrum, mainly we have focused on visible spectrum. Nothing but what beta? Web jar. So maybe electromagnetic spectrum or maybe what Nana? Visible spectrum. In that, number of electromagnetic radiations are there. Arrangement of different colors are there, and all they are arranged in their increasing order of wavelength and their decreasing order of what Nana? Frequencies. You have to be focused a lot on these two factors only. Okay beta? Good. And after that we did so many problems as per NCERT textbook on the basis of EMR and on the basis of EMS. Okay na beta? Yes, 2 to 3 problems already I have explained, and remaining 2 to 3 problems, extra problems also already I have given to you in the form of notes. So try to be focused a lot on electromagnetic spectrum, and also you have to be focused on the problems, especially that problems are very important beta for the theory cum objective point of view. Okay, good. And in this video class, now I am going to be explain about a very special topic and very important topic, that is about the black body. What is the topic, Nana? Black body. So now we have to know that mainly we have to be focused on 3 to 4 terms. One is what will be the structure of black body, and what about the definition of black body, and what is mean by black body radiations. And next we have to be focused by considering the black body radiations. We have to be draw a graph, we have to be plot a graph, and from that graph what are the conclusions we are going to be get. So the meaning is, in this video class around 30 to 40 minutes completely I am going to be explain only about the black body and what beta? Black body radiations. Okay, right. So just to follow me, I am going to give you in a particular manner na ek point cover karte jayenge. Okay na. So let me consider first of all introduction of black body. So here I am going to say that the concept of black body, and also we can say that the concept of black body radiations, the concept of black body and what beta? Black body radiations. This concept was explained by the scientist name is nothing but the Max Planck. Who is the scientist beta? Max Planck. So in the year is nothing but the 1900. So in the year of 1900, Max Planck, he has introduced a topic. The topic is nothing but black body, and the another topic is nothing but black body radiations. So based on black body and black body radiations concept, finally Max Planck, he has given a new theory, that is nothing but the quantum theory. Okay na beta? So Planck's quantum theory that we are going to be discussing tomorrow's class, that was evergreen important topic. So Planck's quantum theory we will discuss in tomorrow's class, Nana. Now we have to be discuss only about the black body and black body radiations. Okay, but both the concepts are explained by whom beta? Max Planck. On the basis of these concepts, he has developed a quantum theory. Okay, right. So let me consider first of all, here I am going to be discuss about the structure of black body. So before going to knowing the definition, let me consider. So first of all, we are going to know about the structure of black body. What beta? Structure of black body. Yes. So what about the structure of black body? Listen carefully one by one. So many points I am going to consider here. So first, suppose you can consider it is a simple structure of black body. This image indicates what, Nana? Black body. And looking like the diagram is nothing but, what is the diagram beta? Hollow sphere. What beta? Hollow sphere, not completely round shape. Of course, spherical diagram is there, but not completely in round manner. So it is which type of sphere? Hollow sphere. First suppose, try to imagine bowl. So bowl is nothing but what? Hollow nature, but that is not complete sphere. Hollow hemisphere, Nana. So bowl is nothing but what? Hollow hemisphere. So this is bowl number 1 and bowl number 2. Hollow hemisphere, hollow hemisphere. So upon mixing, this is called what, Nana? Yes, we have to say that hollow sphere. Okay. So I want to say the first information about the structure of black body. That is nothing but the black body is, we have to say that black body is a hollow sphere, and also we can say that a hollow metallic sphere. That means they can made with metallic substances, or simply you can say that black body is nothing but it is a hollow sphere. In that hollow sphere metallic body, or we can say in that hollow sphere black body, definitely we have to say that the inside walls of black body, what beta? Inside wall. So the inside walls of the black body, they are coated with a very special material. You have to be focused on this, okay, a lot, Nana. So inside walls of black body, they are coated with a specific material. That one we have to say that it is known as platinum black. What beta? Platinum black. So it is a hollow sphere. Its inside walls, okay, or we can say it was inside coated with, or we can say it was inside painted with, what is the substance beta? Platinum black substance. So try to remember, sir, why inside walls of black body they are coated with platinum black. So just to remember that question, I am going to give you the explanation. You have to be wait. Just to try to remember this one only first of all. Yes. And one more thing I want to tell you. So you suppose this is the inner surface, or we can say inner wall of the black body, and we can say it is nothing but the exterior surface, and this is the interior surface. Interior was coated with platinum black. Of course, by including this two, interior and exterior, we have to say that it is nothing but a black body wall. This is the wall of what, Nana? Black body. So it is nothing but the wall of black body. So one point very important you have to be remember. In the surface of black body, especially in its wall, it contains a very small hole. So black body contains a very small hole in its wall. I have given the whole structure also clearly. Okay, na? Yes. And inside the hollow sphere, okay, in the point part you have written, Nana. So black body contains a very small hole in its wall. Very good. Now another point here I am going to tell you, that is nothing but the, okay, so inside this hollow sphere does not contain any gaseous substances. That means I want to say that inside the hollow sphere, this space was empty space is there. So inside the hollow sphere, the space was completely what, Nana? Empty. Means hollow sphere contains empty space. That empty space we have to be say that cavity. So inside the hollow sphere, there will be completely cavity nature will be there. Means inside the space that was completely empty. So finally we have to say that inside the hollow sphere we can see the cavity, and also we can say that cavity is inside, or we can say inside space was completely empty. Okay, so now finally I am going to give you the structural information about the black body. Any substance, or we can say any object, if it is in a hollow sphere, and that should contain all four characteristic properties, then we can say such particular substance is known as, and also we can say that that particular object, if that shows all the possible properties what I have given here, That means that should be in hollow sphere, and inside walls they should be coated with platinum black, and inside area that should be completely empty, means cavity will be there inside, and finally in its wall we can see a presence of small hole. Okay, so by the applying all these conditions, finally we have to say that hollow sphere metallic object is going to be act as what beta? Black body. This is very important point. I hope you understand the structural information about the black body. Very good. Yes, sir, inside the walls of black body, why they are coated with platinum black? I mean platinum powder. The reason is nothing but the platinum black is going to be act as best metallic electrode. And one more reason is nothing but the when incident light going to be falls on the surface of platinum black, due to its blacky nature, it going to be absorbs easily what? Incident radiation. That is also we can consider another use. Okay na beta? Very good. Now here, up to now I have not given the definition, just I have given the information about the structural information of black body. Now here I am going to give you the definition. Sir, what is mean by black body? What beta? What is mean by black body? Very simple definition and very easy definition beta. Yes, let me consider. Again here I am going to consider, first suppose it is a hollow sphere, and this is you suppose interior, and one more I am going to consider exterior. Yes, and it is nothing but what Nana? Metallic wall or hollow sphere, black body wall. It contain already I have told you small hole. Okay, right, whatever that may be. So first suppose not only here, you can denote here also, no problem beta. And inside walls they are coated with what Nana? Yes, inside the walls they are coated with a platinum black material. Very good. Now it's going to be act as what Nana? Black body. Yes. So you suppose, remember one thing all of you, always I want to use a word. Black body is nothing but, we have to be say that it is a perfect body. Sir, why? I will tell you. And one more meaning also we can say that black body is nothing but, we have to be say that it is an ideal body. Okay, so what we can say beta? Black body is nothing but, we have to be say that it is going to be act as ideal body. The meaning of ideal is nothing but it is going to be act as a perfect body. So why we are using this word? Why we are saying perfect or ideal? The reason is, yes, so it is nothing but what Nana? Black body, and also we can say that it going to be act as, it going to be considered as ideal body, and also we can consider it going to be act as what Nana? Perfect body. So the question is, why black body going to be known as, why black body going to be considered as ideal body or perfect body? The reason I am going to tell you now. Yes, focus here only. Yes, the reason is, first suppose it is a black body. So over the surface of this black body, or we can say through this black body, now I am going to pass the rays, or we can say radiation, or we can say light. So first suppose through this small hole, now I am going to pass the radiation, or we can say light. What we can say? Radiation, or we can say light. So the light or radiation which was incident on the surface of black body, that will be completely absorbed, and after some time same black body or radiation it going to be emitted out. So absorption light 1, emission light 1. Again I am going to pass another light. Same thing we can, okay, now emit another light. Again absorption of third light. Again emission of third light. So the meaning of this is nothing but the, so black body is nothing but we have to be say that an ideal body, because of it can absorb all the radiations which are incident on it, which are false on it. Again it has the capable of, it can emit it can emit all the radiations. Okay, so an ideal body, or we can say a perfect body. Why we are saying the meaning is nothing but this has the capable of, black body has the capable of, it can absorb all the incident lights and it can emit, okay, now all the radiations or lights, nana. Means here there will be no wastage of light, there will be no wastage of energy, there will be no wastage of what, nana, radiation. So whatever that may be, so black body ka nature kya ho sakta, nana? Black body is nothing but we have to be say that it is an ideal body. It has the capable of, it can absorb and emits all the frequencies of radiations which going to be false on it. Okay, so it has the capable of what, nana? It can absorb all the frequencies of radiations, all the frequencies of radiations. So black body has the capable of all the frequencies of radiations or light, they can be absorbed, again followed by they can be emitted. Such ideal body or perfect body, we have to be say that it is known as what, nana? Black body. Okay, na? Yes. Sir, how it going to be absorb the light and how it going to emit the radiation, I will show you in the form of mechanism. Just here try to remember the definition. So what is the definition? It is a ideal body, or it is an ideal body, or we can say perfect body, but it has the capable of, it can absorb and it can emit all the types of, all the frequencies of radiations, low frequency, high frequency, low wavelength, high wavelength, whatever that may be, irrespective of the characteristics, all the types of electromagnetic radiations or light, they can be absorbed and they can be emitted out. Such ideal body or perfect body, we have to be say that it is known as what, nana? Black body. I hope you understand. So it can absorb all type of what, nana? Radiations. So we have to say that black body going to be act as, we have to be say that it is a perfect observer. So black body going to be act as what, nana? We have to say that it is a perfect observer because of it can absorb all the types of frequencies of radiations, maybe low, high, whatever that may be, nana, all the types of radiations which going to be false on it, they will be completely absorbed. Means black body is nothing but we have to say that it is a perfect observer. Next one is, here I am going to be considered that, so all the absorbed radiations, they going to be emitted out, na beta. So we can say that, again we have to say that black body is, it going to be act as, it is a perfect emitter. What we can say, beta? Perfect emitter. So black body can be, it going to be act as perfect observer and perfect emitter because of it has the capable of, it can absorb all the frequencies of lights and it can emit all the frequencies of light. I hope you understand this meaning clearly. Okay. Yes, sir, definition of black body was clear because of black body is nothing but a perfect body. It going to be act as perfect observer and it can going to be act as perfect emitter. The meaning is nothing but it can absorb and emit all the frequencies of radiations. Okay, all of you know, right? So what is mean by black body? The definition may be clearly reached to you. But now we have to know about the, sir, what is mean by black body radiations? Simple definition, Nana. So the radiations like this, which are released by the black body. The radiations which are emitted by the black body. The radiations which are produced by the black body. You can write any simple definition as you wish. Okay, so these are nothing but the radiations. They are emitted by the black body. Okay, such emitted radiations, and we have to be say that these are known as black body radiations. What we can say, beta? Black body radiations. Good. Sir, can you say any general examples where we can observe generally black body, Nana? So try to imagine, Nana. First, suppose I am wearing here a little bit blue combination dress shirt, Nana. So I may won't feel more heat, Nana. Yes or no? But if I okay, if I wear a black shirt, definitely I'm going to feel very okay. Now I was in hot climate because of why? The meaning of black. Black means always it has more intensity. It has more capable to absorb the light with more frequency, more intensity. Nana. Black का nature कभी भी हमेशा वही रहता ना. First suppose buffaloes. Their skin nature is what? Black nature. So that's why mostly, especially in hot night, especially in summertime, nana. So buffaloes, they will prefer to sink in water, nana. Why? Because of why? Because of the nature is nothing but to control their what nana heat balance, nana. Because of due to their black skin nature. So due to that nature, they will absorb some more sunlight or more radiation. All the frequencies they are going to be absorbed. So to control that overheat, okay, now they will be deep, okay, now they can sink into the water, now. I mean, they can swim in water better. Yes or no? Yes, like that general examples. And another example as per chemistry point of view, I want to tell you. First, suppose, example for black body radiations, where we can see the emission of, where we can see the release of black body radiations. So let me consider, first suppose, here I am going to be consider the hot filament. What beta? Hot filament. So in the light bulb, what we are using at home. So definitely after passing electricity, or passing electricity, the meaning is nothing but absorption of light or radiation. So definitely what will be happen here? Emission of radiation will be takes place. So from that light bulb, what we are getting? So especially we have to say that from that hot filament inside the light bulb, here we can see the release of white light. What, nana? White light. So best example we can consider tube light. What is the light we are getting? White light we are getting. Simply we can see that colorless light. Okay, now. So the release of white light. So here the meaning of white light, nothing but black body radiation. Black body radiations, they are released by the black body. Here white light, it was releasing from where? Hot filament in the light bulb. So here, as per our terminology, hot filament inside the bulb that going to be act as black body. And the radiations which are coming from the hot filament of the bulb, that is nothing but the white light. That white light we have to be considered that black body radiations. So white light emitted by the, released by the hot filament in that example, which is black body, hot filament, and which is black body radiation, white light. Okay, now beta. Good. Next example here I am going to tell you. First suppose here I am going to consider another example, and you suppose it is a heated electric stove. It is nothing but what, nana? Heated electric stove. So highly heated electric stove. Electric stove was highly heated. The meaning is nothing but perfect observer was over. I mean after absorption of light or heat. Definitely electric stove that going to be heated. So कभी कभी observe करने की कोशिश करो. In the electric stove, in an electric stove, definitely that inside coils, after burning of half an hour like that, you can observe definitely that coils, they are in completely red glow nature. Which nature? Red glow nature, nana. Okay, yes. So highly heated electric stove, definitely we have to say that it going to be act as black body, and from this black body we can see the emission of a particular light or color, that is nothing but the, we can see the light is nothing but the reddish glow light. I hope you understand. Okay, so reddish glow light, nothing but emitted black body radiation. So in that, what is the black body? Highly heated electric stove. So why that was highly heated? Due to absorption of all the frequencies of light by the passing electricity. I hope you understand. Okay, beta, good. Now here I want to give you a perfect meaning. I hope this meaning was very, very important. Sir, black body is nothing but it is a perfect body because of it going to be act as a perfect observer and perfect emitter. Very good. But my question is, sir, how that black body radiations are emitted by the, how that black body radiations are going to be emitted? Just I want to be focused on emission of black body radiation. How the radiations are emitting out from the black body. Okay, now absorption don't need to say that, just to okay, now by the pass of incident light, that light goes to be absorbed easily because of inside platinum black is there, so definitely that can easily absorb. You don't need to focus on absorption, you have to be focused on emission of radiation. Okay, in that there is a small mechanism, small inner depth point is there, the depth point we have to know. Yes, so the concept we are going to know, that is nothing but the emission of, what we are going to know beta? Emission of radiation. Yes, emission of radiation. Which radiation? So the radiation which was emitted by the black body, that is known as what, Nana? Black body radiation. So how the radiation was released from the black body, how the radiation was emitted by the black body, that one only I want to tell you. Okay, this is very, very important. So based on this diagram, based on this concept, we are going to write the diagram, I mean graph. Based on that graph, we have to write 4 perfect conclusions. Bas, okay? Yeah, so emission of radiation I am going to show you now. For suppose, again same thing, you suppose here I am going to consider, and you suppose it is nothing but a black body. Just you imagine, of course I have taken here a little bit spherical, but not exact spherical. It should be in which shape? Hollow spherical shape, you consider like that. And you suppose it is nothing but a small hole. Yes, you know very well. And inside the walls of black body, yes, you know very well. Ab to tum familiar ho gaye beta. So inside the walls of black body, they are coated with what, Nana? A black surface material. That is nothing but we have to be say that. What beta? Platinum black. What we can say? Platinum black. And it contains what, Nana? Yes, it contains a small hole. Okay, fine. And through this small hole, first of all here, we are passing one incident light. First of all here, we are passing a light. And you suppose we can say that it is nothing but a incident light. Okay, so incident light, whatever that may be, its frequency, irrespective of its frequency, because of black body has the capable of, it can absorb all the frequencies of light. Okay, here I am passing one of the light which going to be falls on the surface of black body, that light we have to say that incident light. So that incident light which we are passing over the black body, which we are passing into the black body, that will slowly enters through the hole, and that will move in this continuous manner like this. Okay, so this is nothing but what, Nana? Incident light. So the light, or we can say the incident light which was entered into the black body through the hole, that will move continuously, and it going to be touches the surface of interior platinum black. Okay, now so after striking on the surface of interior of the platinum black, it undergo the process reflection. Again that light, after making here another striking or okay now collision, automatically here it undergo what, Nana? Another type of reflection. Like that we have to be consider the incident light which was entered into the black body, that makes collision, or when they're going to be struck on the surface of platinum black, that causes what, Nana? Reflection. So here inside this black body, the incident light, the passed incident light inside the black body, that undergoes what, Nana? Number of reflections like this. That undergoes number of reflections, Nana. So the light which was entered into the black body, okay, now here you can see the diagram. The meaning of the diagram is nothing but that undergoes what, Nana? Number of reflections, that is in the way is nothing but zigzag manner, because of it causing inside the black body, that light undergoing number of reflections. Okay, now my question is, due to that number of reflections, what are the changes going to be happen? What are the changes going to be occur inside the black body, or we can say in that black body? That one I am going to tell you now. Listen. So black body, this is interior wall and this is exterior wall, whatever that may be, and in that wall it contains a small hole, no problem. But already I have told you, black bodies are nothing but the hollow metallic sphere. They are coated with metals, na beta. I mean, they are made with what? Metals. The meaning is nothing but the metal means they contains number of electrons. Metals, they are having what, Nana? Number of electrons. Like that. E minus, E minus, E minus, E minus, E minus. I hope you understand. Metallic substances, mostly they are having number of electrons, okay, around the nucleus in their what, Nana? Orbits. Okay? Anyway, so once again, now you have to be focused a lot. The incident ray or light which was entered into the black body, first of all, that going to touches the platinum black. The nature of platinum black is it can absorb certain amount of light and remaining energy will be there, na beta. So the light with remaining energy that undergo reflection. Again at this point, here electrons are there. Electrons, they are going to absorb certain amount of energy, and remaining light with remaining energy light, again that undergo reflection. Again it going to be touch here. Again at this point, light loses some energy. That energy was taken by the electron. So by the loss of certain amount of energy, again light undergo reflection by the remaining amount of energy. So that means here what happened? At every striking, at every collision, first suppose light going to be touch here. What happened here? Light losing certain amount of energy. That energy was taken by the electron. And remaining energy will be there. So now remaining energy light that undergo the reflection. So at every point, at every reflection, light loses its energy. Radiation loses its energy. So that lost energy at every reflection point that was absorbed by the electrically charged particles. So at every collision, what happened here? Incident light undergo number of collisions, na beta. Incident light undergo number of reflections, na beta. So at every reflection point, radiation losing its energy, but that lost energy was taken by the electrons. Electron. So by the gain of radiation of energy, the electrons which are inside the black body, by the absorption of radiation energy, okay, now automatically they're going to be gets accelerated and they will undergo the process vibrations. What beta? Vibrations. So by the absorption of incident energy, by the absorption of energy from the incident light, all the electrons, they undergo the process that is nothing but what, Nana? Vibrations. So what we can see here in that black body, now we can see the vibrations of, in that black body, now we can see the vibrations of charged particles. Vibrations of charged particles. So which charged particles are here? The charged particles are nothing but the electrons. So the electrons, nothing but charged particles which are inside the black body. They are going to absorb the radiation energy due to every reflection point. So at every reflection point, incident light, it loses energy. And that lost energy was taken by the charged particles, and by the gain of that, so okay, now radiant energy, such charged particles or electrons, we have to be say that they undergoes vibrations like that, Nana. So after making number of vibrations, automatically, so due to the vibrations of such charged particles or electrons, we have to be confirmed that now that black body going to be what, Nana? Heated. So this point you have to be focused. When black body going to be heated, first of all, incident light that one enters into the black body, and in that black body or inside the black body, or we can say in that cavity area, that incident light undergo number of reflections. But at every reflection point, of course here number of electrons are there, but every reflection point here, okay, now they're going to lose the energy, and that energy was taken by the electrons, or we can say charged particles. By the gain of energy, that electrons or charged particles, we have to be say that they undergoes what, Nana? Is a highly speed vibrations, means oscillation will be takes place fastly. So due to vibrations of charged particles, now if we touch the surface of black body, definitely we are going to feel that is black body was heated, means we can feel hotter nature, Nana. Okay, all of you, this point is very important. Good. So now finally what happened? Due to vibrations of electrons or charged particles by the gain of incident light energy, finally black body was what, Nana? Heated. After heating, okay, now so after heating what will be happen, Nana? So black body was heated means finally what we can see? Finally again it going to emits the remaining again finally it going to emits the radiations, and also we can say that lights, radiations, and also we can say that light. So this light or radiations we have to be see that what, Nana? Black body radiations. Okay, so here radiations what happen, Nana? So radiations, they undergo emission. I mean emission of radiation takes place, I mean release of radiations takes place from the black body after only what? Heating. Why black body was heated? Due to the reason is nothing but the vibrations of charged particles. Why charged particles are undergoing vibrations? Due to absorption of incident light. Okay, all of you, Nana? All of you, this is very, very important point. Now listen, my concept is black body radiations, or we can say the lights which are emitted by the black body, they are known as what, Nana? Black body radiations. So black body radiations, definitely we know very well, they contains certain fixed amount of wavelength, and black body radiations, and we have to say that they contains certain fixed amount of intensity. I mean we can say that energy, and also we can say that frequency. So such emitted black body radiations, due to vibration of charged particles, they are having certain fixed amount of wavelength, and every radiation, every emitted light that contain certain fixed amount of wavelength and certain fixed amount of what, Nana? Intensity. Now by considering intensity values and wavelength values of the black body emitted radiations, I am going to give you the graph. Yes. So here now I am going to consider the graph, Nana. So where we are, which graph we are going to be consider? The graph is nothing but the emitted black body radiations. Why the black body radiations are emitted? Due to vibrations of charged particles. Due to vibrations of charged particles, black body radiations, they are going to be emitted. Such emitted black body radiations, they are having certain fixed amount of wavelength, they are having certain fixed amount of intensity, or we can say energy, or we can say frequency. No problem. Okay, so by considering these two values upon x and y dimensions, now I am going to consider one graph. So here we are going to plot the graph by considering which values? By considering intensity value, and one more is nothing but the versus by considering which value, Nana? Is wavelength of the emitted radiation. So wavelength of the emitted radiation and intensity of the emitted radiation, by considering the two values, the graph will be, I am going to show you now. Yes, so the graph is like this, Nana. So you suppose it is nothing but x dimension, and here you suppose I am going to consider the y dimension. Okay, yes. And first suppose, listen carefully, upon x dimension, I am going to consider the wavelength values. Which values we are going to consider, beta? Wavelength values in nanometer, I am going to consider upon x dimension. And intensity values, which values, beta? Intensity values, I mean total amount of energy or frequency values, we are going to be considered upon y dimension. So when we consider these two factors for the respective emitted light, the graph will be, I am going to show you now, which are given by the Max Planck. So first suppose I am going to give you the first graph like this. Okay, beta? Right. Again he has given another graph by using higher temperature. This is at low temperature graph, Nana. Yes, and you suppose this is the another graph. Like this. And listen carefully, all of you. Yes, you suppose it is nothing but black body, and you suppose it going to emit two light. I mean, it going to emit two radiations. How many black body radiations? You suppose two black body radiations. Yes, you suppose it is nothing but the black body. Okay, now by the absorption of light, it undergo number of reflections, that everything is common, Nana, and due to vibrations of electrically charged particle, and you suppose finally it going to emit the two lights. They are nothing but the what, Nana? Black body radiations. Such emitted black body radiation, in that you suppose one light is red color light, and one more light that was emitted with the color is nothing but the blue color. Here I have taken black body with the absorption of light due to vibrations of charged particle. You suppose it going to emit two lights or two radiations. One is red color black body radiation, and one more is blue colored black body radiations. And try to remember, Max Planck did this experiment, and he says that red color black body radiation that was emitted from the black body when black body was heated at the temperature 5000 Kelvin. At which 1000? At 5000 Kelvin, black body emits the what, Nana? Red color light, and at 7000 Kelvin, and at what? 7000 Kelvin, black body going to be emits the blue color radiation. Okay? Yes. So this is the graph at low temperature. First graph I have taken at low temperature. You suppose that is nothing but T1. So black body was present at lower temperature. T1. How much? 5000 Kelvin. Because of I have told you black body was heated. No. So black body was heated up to what? Up to 5000 Kelvin. At that case, it going to release the red light. First, suppose this is the graph at 5000 Kelvin. Means we can say that this is the graph for red black body radiation. And this is the graph we have to be say that what, Nana? This is the graph we have to be consider. This is for blue colored radiation. But blue light that was emitted after heating black body, but black body was heated at what? 7000 Kelvin. So this is the second graph at a T2 temperature. The temperature is nothing but the 7000 Kelvin. So T1 is more, T2 is mera, T2 is more, Nana. So I want to write that T2 greater than T1. I hope you understand this. Okay. Now in that graph, what are the changes we can see now? Yes. Listen carefully. So this is the graph or curve for emitted radiation. Which emitted radiation? Red emitted radiation. And this is the graph or curve for blue color emitted radiation. But red color was released from the black body at 5000 Kelvin, and blue color was releasing from the black body at 7000 Kelvin. So for that I have given the diagram. Same diagram given by the Max Planck. Okay, right. So this is the first curve at lower temperature, and this is the, in that curve, this is the maximum intensity position. And at higher temperature for the second curve, and we have to say that it is nothing but the maximum intensity position. So here I am going to show you. It indicates maximum intensity for the first curve, and this point indicates maximum intensity for the second curve. So in the first curve, this point indicates maximum intensity, and in this second point, this point will indicate the maximum intensity. Right? Listen carefully. But actually, upon x dimension, what we have taken? We have taken wavelength. Okay? Right. And this is the maximum intensity point. Again here I am going to consider touching with what? Wavelength. Again this is the maximum intensity point at higher temperature. For this also show the wavelength value. Now all of you try to think. So this is the maximum intensity point at lower temperature, and this is also maximum intensity point at higher temperature. But try to remember, at lower temperature or at higher temperature, at which temperature maximum intensity contains more wavelength? The answer is nothing but the, at lower temperature maximum intensity contains higher wavelength. So this indicates the higher wavelengths, and it indicates the lower wavelengths. Everything was over. So this observation only we have to be right here. Once again, you may got confusion. Once again, just I have given the diagram. You should draw the diagram. It was given by whom? Max Planck after this experiment. Good. So this is a graph at low temperature, and this is the curve at higher temperature. And at lower temperature, maximum intensity contains higher wavelength, but at higher temperature, maximum intensity contains lower wavelength. I hope you understand. Once again, at lower temperature, this point indicates maximum intensity. At low temperature, maximum intensity contains higher wavelength, but at higher temperature, maximum intensity contains lower wavelength. This is the important diagram for you. Okay, so from the diagram, what are the points we are going to be revealed? What are the points we are going to give the conclusion? Nature of light, red, but the temperature 5000 K. Nature of blue, light blue, but the temperature is nothing but what, 7000. So here at a different temperature you are going to get the two different radiation. That means we can say that nature of radiation, what we can say beta, nature of radiation may be red or may be blue or may be different colors, whatever that may be. So nature of emitted light depends upon temperature of the black body. Depends upon what, Nana? Temperature of the black body. Yes or no? Temperature of the black body. Because of why? At low temperature 5000 you are getting red color light, but at 7000 you are getting blue color light. That is the matter, Nana. Good. And another point I want to tell. So maybe red light or maybe blue or maybe violet, whatever that may be. So the emitted light due to reason is only vibrations of charged particles. So light was emitted, or we can say radiation was emitted. So emitted radiation is due to, the main topic is nothing but we have to say that vibrations of charged particles, and also we can see that vibration of electrons. And third point, see the diagram. First suppose at 5000 Kelvin and you consider just at a particular temperature. At a particular temperature, as the wavelength goes to be increases, intensity values also increases. Once again, you forgot about the 7000 K. Just remember first diagram, I mean first curve. At a particular temperature, with increase of wavelength, intensity values goes to be increases slowly. Okay, so with increase of temperature, intensity of the radiation also increases and reaches to a maximum value. But after that, the values of intensity, they goes to be decreases. You can consider first graph, otherwise you can consider second graph. Again same thing, at a particular temperature, with increase of wavelength, intensity of the radiation increases, but intensity reaches to a maximum value and then decreases. Intensity reaches to a maximum value and then decreases. This point you have to be fixed. Okay, so we have to say that at a particular temperature, and also we can say that at a constant temperature, with increase of wavelength, lambda, intensity goes to be increases. With increase of wavelength at a particular temperature, with increase of wavelength, intensity of radiation goes to be increases. Yes, what we can say, Nana? With increase of lambda, intensity increases. With increase of lambda, intensity increases. After that, reaches to a maximum value. And then what happened, Nana? And then goes to be decreases. So at first particular temperature and at second particular temperature, this is the conclusion we can give, Nana. And fourth conclusion was very, very important and final conclusion. Yes, that is nothing but. Suno beta. This is at low temperature and this is at high temperature. At low temperature, maximum intensity contain higher wavelength, and at higher temperature, maximum intensity contains lower wavelength. So what happened? As the temperature goes to be increases, maximum peak position or maximum intensity position at low temperature, maximum intensity position contains higher wavelength, but at high temperature, maximum intensity position contains low wavelength. That means as the temperature goes to be changes, maximum intensity positions, they are shifting towards the lower wavelength. Okay, so this is very important point. As temperature increases, when 5000 becomes 7000, maximum intensity positions, they are shifting towards the lower wavelengths. Maximum intensity positions, okay, maximum intensities, they are going to be shifts towards the lower wavelengths. और एक बार देख लो, this is very important. At 5000 and at 7000. At 5000 maximum intensity contain higher wavelength, but at 7000 maximum intensity contain lower wavelength. That means what? As the temperature goes to be increases, maximum intensity positions, they goes to be shifted towards the lower wavelength. That one I have given to you. Okay, all of you know, yes, these are the four very, very important conclusions from the graph. I mean, from the black body emissions, emitted radiations. We have narrated these four conclusions. Nana. This topic is also very, very important. So, based on today's video class, we are going to be discussed in tomorrow's class, that is about the Planck's quantum theory. Okay, now, if you know this information very well, quantum theory is nothing to you. Nana. Okay, right.